Hindi conversion tools add-on for Google Docs lets you to convert ASCII fonts to a Unicode format and vice versa. For example, you might be typing Hindi in the Kruti Dev typing online application, and many of the time you may have to copy this text to a Google Doc, and this comes in a different formatting. Go to Extensions, Hindi Conversion Tools, click Start to fix the formatting to Unicode formatting. Choose the pasted text and click ASCII to Unicode. This converts to a Unicode Hindi format, no matter if your font is Akruti Dev, DevLys, Chanakya, Walkman Chanakya, Shree Lipi, and Akruti and Narad. All these fonts are converted to Unicode fonts. The interesting feature about this is it preserves the formatting even if the font is inside the table. Select and click ASCII to Unicode. This converts and preserves the formatting. Select the text, ASCII to Unicode, and you are done. Now to convert back to ASCII from Unicode, select the same text and Unicode to ASCII. This converts back to Kruti Dev or ASCII text. When you click Unicode for ASCII. Thank you.